Question 14, a sinusoidal function is represented by the equation f of x equals -5 sine pi over 3x plus 8. Which of the following statements is true? I give you some answer choices. It talks about the maximum value being 11. The difference between the maximum and the minimum values of this function is 10. The minimum value of the function is 8. And the difference between the max and minimum values of this function is 8. So let's break this down first. We have -5 sine pi over 3x plus 8. Might be helpful to graph it. So f of x equals -5 sine parentheses pi over 3x plus 8. And let's find this graph. Probably got to go down a little bit. And it looks like the maximum value is at 13 and the minimum value is at 3. The max is 13, the min is at 3. Now we can get that 13 by taking the midline and adding the amplitude, which is 5. We get the 3 by doing the midline and subtracting the amplitude. So the maximum is the midline plus the amplitude, the minimum is the midline minus the amplitude. Now, oops, I put 3, I meant to do 5. So the midline minus 5 is gonna be 3. So your max is 13, your min is 3. The max being 11 or the min being 8, of course that's not right. It says the difference between the max and the min values of this function is 10. And the difference between the max and the min values of this function is 8. Difference is subtraction. So if I subtracted my maximum minus my minimum, that gives me a difference of 10, which is going to be this one.